guys, this is Bhavna Kumar and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually turning an old skirt which is like way too huge for me and I don't really like the style of it. So I'm turning it into a style which I'll wear and giving it some extra look so that I can wear in the future hopefully. So watch the whole video on how I turn an old skirt into a fancy looking skirt. So this is the skirt. Now this is a very loose skirt, so I have to make sure I do something with it, and this is the length of the skirt. I'm okay with the length, so first I'm gonna just cut in the middle of the skirt like a straight line. So I'm drawing it with a chalk using a scale so that I get a proper perfect straight line. So now I'm cutting the skirt. I'm making sure I also cut the inner lining because you don't want to miss that. I actually want a slight slit type in this skirt, so that's what I'm trying to get in this skirt by cutting it this way. Now for the next part, I'm just trying this skirt on so that I get the slit on my left leg because I think I can carry it properly when the slit is on the left side. I'm also making sure how much I have to fold so that it properly fits my waist. Now I'm gonna fold the width, take some pins and secure the length how much I want to be folded so that it doesn't get messed up. The next thing after pinning is I'm gonna iron it because this skirt is the material is quite loose, so I want to make it stiff so that it doesn't create a confusion while stitching it. So now I'm gonna start stitching. So I'm just using a normal thread or thread which is like closer to this shade of the skirt. So I'm gonna do hand stitching. Now I did the same thing for the next side, so pinning it, ironing and then finally stitching it. So this all took me like 1 hour to stitch both these sides, ironing both these sides and cutting the skirt. Now on to the next process is actually putting on the hooks. Now I've never stitched or sewed a hook to anything, so I watched like few videos on how to stitch a hook or sew a hook. So that's what I'm doing here, and finally I got it right. So I put like 5 hooks and I also stitched 5 hook holes. So here is the skirt after all the hook things. I have also added extra 3 hook holes on the waist area so that if I want it little loose I can adjust it, or if I want tight I can adjust accordingly. Now after the hook I thought I'll finish the skirt off like that, but then I thought it looks too plain, so I had these stones for another project, so I used fabric glue. So I had these stones, I took some tweezer and took stones from it and used another pointer to just press the stone so it sticks. And the best part is it kind of sticks very well and it doesn't come off. Now I have sticked the stones in a circular kind of shape, and I have not sticked it all over till the waist, just till a halfway down, because if you do it the whole skirt it will look just too much. Now it is very confusing me explaining like this. Now you will get to know properly when I show you the end result. this is the skirt, how it looks after all the cutting, the sticking, everything. I really like the slit. It has come out very well. Being the first try, I think it has come very well. I think I'm gonna wear it, not like just keeping it inside. I'm actually gonna wear it. I'm really loving the output. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, bell button, like button, and see you next time.